So this morning, Zeke woke up and played nicely with his blocks while Mommy and Daddy slept in. And then when Abigail got up, he joined her in bed.
Ow! Lap. Peace.
That's not sitting on her lap. I love you.
Let's cheese.
It did work.
A video.
It is a video. Now your jumping together was really cute. Can you do that again?
Yeah. I jump. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
It's just your pants falling around your foot. That's all. Yeah, I see.
And fret. Oopsies. Now I will get down. I'm hungry.
Shall we get you guys up then?
Well, I'm already up. Whoa. I can't get out. Wee, bunk. Look out. Look out.
I'm not sure you can make it, girly.